The Audi A4 is officially gone, but Audi isn't leaving us hanging. Meet the all-new Audi A5, and right from the start, Audi Sport is offering something special, the S5 Avant. This sleek and powerful wagon won't be coming to the US, but it's worth knowing about. Let's dive into what makes the S5 Avant a true standout. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your fellow car enthusiasts. The new S5 Avant keeps the 3.0-liter V6 engine we loved in its predecessor, but now it's even better with a mild hybrid setup that boosts power to 362 horsepower. While Audi hasn't revealed the exact torque figures, we're expecting more than the previous 369 lb-ft of torque. The S5 Avant also gets a new 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, replacing the older 8-speed. It's lighter and handles more torque, delivering smoother and quicker power. Built on Audi's premium platform combustion, PPC, an evolution of the Volkswagen Group's MLB architecture, the S5 Avant is both longer and roomier. It's stretched by 2.6 inches in length and has a 3.1-inch longer wheelbase, offering more legroom and comfort. Audi is also adding more standard equipment in Europe to position the S5 Avant in the upper mid-size segment. Now, the downside for US fans, the S5 Avant won't be available here. But, the A5 and S5 models will still be around in a new form. The US will get the A5/S5 sedan, a practical 5-door model that replaces the old A5/S5 Sportback. However, the traditional coupe and convertible versions are also being discontinued. Audi's shift to make the S5 a gas-only car, stepping away from the V6 diesel previously offered in Europe, shows their commitment to performance-focused gasoline engines. While we await more details on the US spec models, it's clear that Audi is moving in an exciting new direction. Thanks for watching. If you're excited about the new Audi S5 Avant, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Share your thoughts in the comments. Would you want to see the S5 Avant in the US? And don't forget to check out our playlist for more car news and reviews. See you next time.